Okay guys, Bob here. I think what we're going to do today, it's a little bit late today, but we're getting started on some stuff. I want to the Magnum here. Let's see, let's clean this trunk out and see if there's any rust holes in this trunk. And maybe we can mount the spare tire back in a better spot. This stuff here is probably going to have to be replaced anyway. That's some kind of carpeting or something, but it looks terrible. But let's get this stuff out and see what we can come up with here. Okay, that's everything that came out of the trunk. An old road wheel, and it's got a flat tire on it. And it also has some really bad wear. There might be some tie rod wear or maybe some underinflations on both sides, but anyway, who cares? Bumper jack seems to work okay. The overflow bottle got some black overspray paint on it. I would imagine the accordion hose there is for the lean burn setup, and we're not going to go back with that. We're going back with probably a Holly full barrel and a Edelbrock intake, more than likely. And the cover for the battery's also got the washer pump right there, you see on the back. So I probably have to put another pump on it. But let's pull this carpet out. And this back panel back here, man, look at that. It's pretty dingy. This car might have been exposed to some moisture back here. I see a lot of acorns. That's never a good sign. There was a rat's nest in here too, so Lord knows what we're gonna find. Well, let's pull the carpet up and see what we do find. Okay, folks. Well, I got everything cleaned out. This is what came out of it. I got a big bag of this stuff here. It's like almost like an undercoating, and that's probably at least 10 pounds, maybe 15 pounds. And these two pieces right here went over the wheel wells. This one here pretty much came off intact. This one, however, broke up. I'll probably just toss them both. I'm not going to put them back on. This is the piece over the hump for the spare tire. Spare tire sits on. And this is the carpet. Well, it's not really carpet, it's a matting. And the jute was in there too, the jute backing. I'll keep this for just to make a pattern out of, if I decide to make a pattern. I'll hang on to this. But yeah, we'll try to pleasantly surprise. There is some issues. We got some holes right here, as you can see. And if you look, there's pinholes right in here. And right here is a couple. Right here. And here. And I think there was one more tiny one over here. So I'll finish cleaning all this undercoating off and see what's hiding up and around this seam. They tend to rot around this seam. I don't think this one is though, because everything's good right up to here. Oh, here's a spot right here also. Let me get you a light right there. You see that? So what I'm going to do, I know a lot of you guys don't like POR 15, and I understand that if you're restoring a car, POR 15 can be a problem, but when you're fixing up a car, saving a car, POR 15 is a beautiful product. I'll clean this up as best I can and hit it with POR 15, and that'll strengthen this metal. And these areas around here, I'll take them off, and what I'll do, I'll cut those out. Now, I'm not a very good welder, and I'm not going to put a patch in, so what I'll do, I'll probably just do a bonding patch, an adhesive patch. Body shop style adhesive, and just cut out on this stuff right here. I'll probably just use the POR 15 two-part epoxy, body epoxy. I've used that many times with excellent success. It hardens so hard you can drill and tap it. And it's not as hard as steel or metal or iron, but it gets pretty hard. It'd be good for this. That's what I usually use it for. It's just little pinholes in the trunk and the floor of the car. Now, this here I'll cut out and make a patch and bond it in with body adhesive. So, pleasantly surprised. Everything's really solid. Even right up in here, it's solid. I'm putting quite a bit of, I'm a big guy. I'm a 250-pound guy. Quite a bit of pressure on that, and it's not moving any. And on this side of here, same thing. It's just surface rust. I have not yet found any holes. We'll continue to clean it out. I want to get the brakes on the car so I can take it down to my shop where it's closer to the vacuum cleaner and different things. And I'll also probably put pour 15 underneath this lip of this trunk, just preserve it best I can. It's pretty rusty up in there. These damn trunk lids on these cars are just, I don't know. That's where that carpet piece went. So I'll put the spare tire back in, even though it's flat, mount it up securely. And the next time you see this, I'm hoping we'll be doing some, going in the other direction, putting some pour 15 on it and the patches. And I have determined my direction for this car. It's going to be a street strip car, a heavy one with a small block, but we're going to, it's not the original engine. It's a roller cam 90s motor in it. It's not a Magnum. It's a 90 cam LA truck motor in it, 360. So see what we can come up with on some parts for that. I've got some stuff, and that's the direction I think we're going to go, and I'm going to have fun with the car. I've got a 9 1/4 rear with a spool, as you saw in one of the earlier videos. This is the third video of this car, by the way. Go back and look at the other videos. And that car, that rear end's got a 410, and it's not going to be a daily driver, so I can live with the spool on the street. That shouldn't be a problem. And I don't think we're going to make enough power to hurt the C-clips. So yeah, there you go. That's the latest update on the Magnum. I think the next time you'll see the trunk, it'll be getting some work done to it, and we're going to try to get some brakes put on it too. Yeah, I've got all the brake parts in the car, so that'll be the next, probably the next video. We'll have it jacked up, and we'll go through the brakes the guy bought. I wish he'd have put them on. He went through the trouble of putting the wheels on. There's absolutely no calipers on those wheels. They're just, the lines just hanging down. So I think he bought lines, rubber lines, calipers, and pads. So we'll see what we can come up with there. And then after we get the brakes on the car and get the trunk cleaned out, we'll either do work on the roof, or we'll take the gas tank out, one or the other, and get it cleaned out and run a new fuel line. And I'll probably run a 3/8 fuel line up to the carburetor. And I'm not sure if we're not going to go fuel injected. I said Holly carburetor earlier, but I may run a fuel injection kit on it. We want to do one of those. This is a good car to do it on. All right, folks, we are done with this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. There's a little bell notification. If you don't know how YouTube works, there's a bell notification. You hit that bell notification. It's shaped just like a bell, and that alerts you when there's a new video out that you've hit the like button on in that series of videos. If you go up to playlist on my channel, click on playlist and type in Magnum, and you can pull up all the Magnum videos, or you type in Dodge, pull up all my Dodge videos. I've got, I think, 400 some videos loaded up now, so you can go through the playlist and see what all you want to look at. And we appreciate it if you would do that, and show this car some love. We're going to save this car. It won't be restored, but we are going to have some fun with it, and maybe put a few guys on the trailer with it. All right, I am officially signing off on this video. Okay, good day, guys.